So good evening everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So in Nifty we have decided that 19,700 to 650 in this range it market can take good support, or market can bounce back from here as well. So it has our I was estimated it will take from 700, but it has taken from 650. That's why. And another thing is that's why I said ki, see the chart in 15 minutes time frame. If you are not scalper, if you are plan directional trade, if you plan 15 minutes is the best, because in 5 minutes time frame you see it has given breakdown of 700 levels, and come here and then take support from 650 and reverse from that range. But if you see all that trade in 15 minutes time frame, you will found the market has taken support earlier. Okay, so that's why this range is very important for tomorrow. And similarly you also can see that there is a resistance zone that is working this trend line. And now for tomorrow our analysis will be very simple. We only going to execute our trade beyond 19780 to 19800. Above this range we only execute our trade. I'm marking this with these levels. So if you're planning for long, only above this range you can go long. Otherwise there are multiple support resistance here, market can consolidate for long. So this is our plan for Nifty. Only above this range we will plan for go long, and in that case our target will be 19,870 to 880, this range. And above that, this gap also a very important area to watch out. Okay. And similarly if you're planning for down movement, then we have to wait to 650 below. If you in a 15 minutes candle close, just wait a bit. In a 15 minutes candle close, you can plan for selling, and here you can get a good target around 567 570 to 580 in this range. You can see that multiple time support market has resistance market has faced here. So this range will work as a very good support area for Nifty. Okay, so our analysis is below this level. Just remember one thing: 15 minutes candle close is very important. Okay, VIX is now 11.62. So we only get a good directional move upward or downward above whenever VIX will sustain above 12. It will be very helpful for us for option buyers. But for option sellers, you have to watch very carefully. Wait for the candle closing. Don't jump on the trade directly. So below 567 or 500, this level also be round number. So this is also very important support area for Nifty if it is also break the range. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Nifty. And if we move towards the bank nifty, see our for the our Monday analysis, all the levels are sustain the same area, not initiated any trade. This is a support area for tomorrow, 45,876 to 800 in this range. This is a very good support area. And similarly there is a resistance zone that is working. And similarly it also can be a flag and pull kind of patterns. Okay, so our analysis will be above 40,000, 46,100 above in this range. We are going to execute our trade. Okay, only above this range we are going to execute our trade. Our stop loss will be 46,000, and hopefully we get a very good target above this range. And similarly in above 46,100, our target will be 46,234 to 46,300, where we should book our profit. Okay. And similarly below 45,864, 48,000, it is a very good support area. So we have to watch carefully. So one thing we can do, we can bold this area. So 45,800 below, you can plan for selling with a stop loss of 45,000 864 around 60 to 70 rupees will be your stop loss, and you will get very good target around 45,651. And the second target will be around 45,466 400. In this range you will get a very good target. Okay, so only above this range we are going to execute for long. and below this range we can plan for selling, and we will get a very good target for sure. And similarly with Nifty Finance, see all our levels are intact, and I'm not going to draw anything. See, it is the exact levels. We are going to short bank Fin Nifty below these 20,474 levels, and if you're planning for buying, there are multiple resistance area like 20,550, 20,600. See, every above 50 points there is a resistance area, so it will be good for us if we wait and trade only above 20,634, and for selling just after whenever you find that it is going to break this range 20,476, go for selling. First target will be 20,400 to 410 in this area. Second target will be 2317, and the last one is 2239. All the levels are intact as same. Okay, and quickly I'm going to discuss some important stocks. Okay, so the first stocks is HDFC Bank. If you see that HDFC Bank, after opening, after the result date, it has shown some profit booking, and this 17,000 level is very important resistance zone for HDFC Bank, and it has forming this triangle kind of patterns, and if it is break 1670 this zone, we will get a very good target for selling. The multiple time this support area has been tested, so we can expect very good target around 1656 to 1660 in this range. And similarly, if it is given a breakdown of 1690, somewhere here, if you see multiple time resistance, we can go for buying. 1700 will be the resistance area, but above 1700 there is a very good target. You can get around 1720 and 1730 in this range. Okay, simple analysis for HDFC Bank. You can watch bank HDFC Bank. I'm going to also discuss some Axis Bank as well, so you can plan that for tomorrow. You will get both side movement, the potential it has to give both side movement in HDFC and Axis. Similarly, in Axis Bank also 969, it is giving a very good support. If it is break tomorrow, we will get very good target, very sweet target around 957. Okay, and similarly, if you are planning for buying, go for HDFC Bank. But for selling, if you get good opportunity, you will get both HDFC and Axis in the both sector, in the both bank, you can get a very good target. Okay, so in Axis Bank, our simple analysis will be after the breakdown of this range, we will go for selling, and this target we can achieve very easily. Okay, and for the confirmation, if you see is there any moving average or not. So see, there is a 200-day moving average. Whenever it will give him breakdown, in market come 200-day moving average will come around this range 960, 967. So you will get another confirmations. So with the stop loss of this, you also can go for selling, and this target you can achieve very easily. And another bank I am going to discuss, that is Federal Bank. Federal Bank, you see this 200, it is making in 15 minutes time frame bearish pole and flag kind of patterns. Okay, so this is a very important support area if you see. So whenever you find key it is given a breakdown of this range, also this 200-day moving average. Okay, so let me draw with that line for better understanding. So this line and this 200-day moving average, after the breakdown of this range, you can plan for selling. You will get very good target around 131, and this is the second target you can achieve around 130, 129.85. Okay, this is a very good target you can get. See, this is the, I think, 50 days moving average. It is acting as a resistance area. I think it is 50 days moving average. Let me see. Yes, this is a 50 days moving average. It is acting a very good resistance area. So you will get a better confirmation if it is break this range. Okay, so we have discussed HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and Federal Bank. Analyze yourself, and hopefully you will get a very good target tomorrow. And I have also discussing the Reliance, because Reliance has given negative little bit of poor result, and but it has still and it has lots of adjustment is going on because of Geo Finance. So it is, say, you will find that it is trading at very good support area. So 2474, it is a very good support area. So further, if you are planning for buying, only above 2510, okay, above this range you can plan for buying. Otherwise, below this range 2074 to almost 30 points between range, market can consolidate 2474 to 2508. So between market can consolidate. If you find that it is breaking 2474 levels, you can plan for selling. You will get a very good target around 2440. If it is also given a breakdown, then 2410 in this range market can come very easily. Okay, 2407, 2410, this range. When you find that market is coming here, you should shift to stop loss to 2450, 60 in this range, and or you can book partially or you can drill that. Okay, simple analysis in Reliance. All these three are Reliance, HDFC, Axis are important stocks, so you can analyze that also. So in IT, I am also going to discuss two stocks. One is Infi. Infi has because of the earnings and the management stock, it has says about is it has done some poor projections for future. So let's see. But if you see that intraday basis analysis, we have nothing to do with positional here or in the long term investment, but intraday basis analysis, 1349 is the multiple time resistance. So whenever you find it is given breakdown of this range 1349 or 1350, you will get very good target around 1368, and above that 1385 also a very good target. There is a gap that also can be traded. Obviously these levels are not going to come in a single day, so you can watch that very carefully. Similarly 1322, if you will find that it has taken multiple times support here, so if it is given breakdown of this range 1305 and below that 1297, 1300 to 1297, in this range it is going to come very easily. Okay, this is also important stocks you can add on your watch list for upcoming days. And similarly in Mastec as well, Mastec is trading at 200-day moving average. It is just given a breakdown in the last few minutes. So for tomorrow you can also find that it is kind of if I draw that head and shoulder kind of pattern, it is making. So whenever you find that it is given 2112 given breakdown, okay, with the stop loss of today's closing, you can plan for selling in Mastec as well, and you will get very good target around 2050 somewhere here, 2040 in this range. You will get a very good target and shift your stop loss, trail your stop loss, and we will get a very good target. It's a very, I think, very big target, almost 3% target. But if somewhere if you book 1%, 1.5%, it will be enough, and others you can tell your asset. Okay, so very good stock, very good intraday stock for tomorrow. Infi and Mastec, you can analyze that. For selling, I would prefer Mastecs, and for buying, I would prefer Infosys. So you can analyze that and execute for tomorrow or upcoming days. And the last stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is Zydus. Zydus Life, in 15 minutes time frame, you will find it has taken a rejection from the top, and from 2001 it has consolidating continuously in this range. So the range is this is a range. Here I am not going to plan for buying here. Okay, but it we will get a very good opportunity if it is break 611. If it is break 611, we will get a very good target around 606 with a stop loss of 612. If it is break this range 611, let me draw that level. So if it is break 611 with the stop loss of 612, 1.5 or 2 rupees will be a stop loss, and you will get a very good target around 606. More than 1:2, 1:3, you will get a very good target here. Okay, so in the Zydus Wellness, you can watch that in this range. If you see 200-day moving average will also come in this range, so it will work as a very good support, these 606 levels. Okay, so this is the analysis for tomorrow, and analyze all that and execute that. I will also share the result tomorrow like as usual, and best of luck. Have a good day. Bye.